Everyone, this is Shadib Ali. Again, we are here with the kinds of noun. Earlier we discussed what is noun. Now we are going to understand kinds of noun. There are 6 kinds of noun. Here we are going to understand common noun and proper noun. What is their difference and what they are usually refer and they are usually considered the very easy. So let's understand according to Wren and Morton. We are discussing these kind with the help of Wren and Morton, which is a very important and most vital book is considered in the learning of English language. So let's understand according to it. Common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the class or kind, any kind of common thing. For example, hospital. So hospital can be in Pakistan, can be in Karachi, can be anywhere in the world. So it can be hospital, simply common journal name. Okay, school, so it can be school anywhere. Okay, for example, pen, it can be pen. Journal names of things which is considered very common in journal. So what is proper? So it's completely opposite of common. So let's understand proper noun, a name of particular place or person. For example, or thing you can say simply. So let's example according to the common noun, make it proper. Okay, how can we make it proper? For example, a hospital. So hospital can be given a particular name, just like Raw Hospital or National Hospital, Karachi. Okay, Hira Hospital, Delhi School, for example. Or you can say the dollar pen as well, or blue pen as well. So giving name, a particular name to any kind of noun, particular noun. So here are 2 notes for proper noun. Never forget there are 2 notes for proper noun. The first note is that, let me write, note number 1 according to the, okay, there are 2 rules. A proper noun always start with capital letter. Never forget. हमेशा जब भी proper noun start होगा तो उसका पहला लेटर क्या होगा, वो proper capital होगा. For example, हिरा का मैंने वैसे पहला लेटर था, लेकिन कोई भी proper noun होगा तो उसका पहला लेटर क्या हो जाएगा, हमेशा capital. हिरा, अली और डॉलर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वो क्या हो जाएगा आपका हमेशा अपर केस में आ जाएगा. सेकंड नोट, नेवर फॉरगेट रिगार्डिंग दिस वन, दैट वी हैव टू पुट प्रॉपर नाउन समटाइम यूज एज अ कॉमन नाउन एज वेल. ओके, समटाइम्स हमारे प्रॉपर नाउन कॉमन नाउन्स की तरह भी इस्तेमाल होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अली इज द शेक्सपियर ऑफ द क्लास. अली इज द शेक्सपियर ऑफ द class. Now the Shakespeare is the particular name. For example, note number 2 I am adding here. Note number 2, titles. Okay, Shakespeare of the class. Now Shakespeare is a particular name, but we can give title to anyone. Even Shakespeare is the only one which is very famous novelist in English. So Shakespeare of the class, anyone can be taken to this proper noun as a common noun. But ये common है, इसको कोई Shakespeare बोलता है. For example, he is a Shah Rukh Khan of the class. Simply, for example, he is a Bill Gates. For example, he is the son of Ambani. Any rich person, even the Ambani is one, but it is a second note. 2 rules of that some proper nouns can be common noun. So it's all about the common and proper noun. count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means it can be count. Now come to the another example of here. For example, I have some kind of hair. Hope so that. For example, one hair, two hair means it can be count. It can be separated. So it is also countable. This is also countable. Now I have the example of uncountable as well. For example, I have kind of object which cannot count. For example, I cannot count that kind of thing. I cannot count. So water is uncountable, oil is uncountable. Okay, these can be measured but not countable. Okay, so these objects can be countable. Your rice is countable. Uncountable things you simply understand water, oil, milk. Okay, so how can we understand? Lots of students confused it कि सर हम कैसे पता चले कि countable है या uncountable है? अच्छा, understand one thing, जो countable होता है उसका हमेशा plural बनता है, uncountable का कभी भी plural नहीं बनेगा. For example, I can say book, so it's countable, इसका plural बनेगा books. Okay, it's a not one. Pay attention. It's not one. इसका countable बन जाएगा books. इसका countable बन जाएगा pens, pencils. लेकिन we cannot make the simply plural of milks. We cannot say milks. We cannot say teas. We cannot say, for example, oils. So uncountable का कभी भी आपका plural नहीं बनेगा. Okay. Stars can be counted, grains of rice can be counted, pieces of wood can be counted, okay, hair can be counted. These are objects which can be counted. So forget that concept. It's all about countable and uncountable. Thank you.